This company went from being all but invisible on Google to dominating their market, and nothing about their products had to change. I want to tell you about a client of mine called DJM Suspension. They manufacture premium truck lowering kits and sell nationwide through an e commerce store. They have great products, they have incredibly loyal customers, but their online store initially had a serious problem. It wasn't ranking on Google, and that was because Google couldn't understand it. The products were listed under their internal part numbers, not the real product names that customers actually searched for. The category structure was completely unclear. There was no search, there was no parts lookup, there was no schema markup. Google just couldn't make sense out of it, which meant customers couldn't find this company online. And if they did find the website, they were frustrated because they couldn't find what they were looking for. So we rebuilt their entire e commerce store structure from the ground up. We renamed products using real searchable terms. We implemented product filtering. We implemented SKU search. We implemented product search, improved navigation across the board. The product filtering was built around how customers actually shop by vehicle make, model, year. And then we implemented proper schema throughout the entire website. The result? Google became their number one traffic source. Traffic grew, revenue grew. And they came back to us a few years later when that organic growth stalled. They came back and signed up for the BBS growth engine, where we rebuilt their paid ads strategy for them. The results, and this has been month after month after month consistent, 23 times return on their spend on Google ads, over a 50 time return on ad spend on Meta, and their overall revenue grew by over 30%. Record breaking sales month after month after month. DJM's story is a story of partnership built upon transparency, trust, and results that have compounded over time. Not a single campaign, not a one time fix, a growth engine. That's what we build. In our next video, we're going to look at a home security and automation company who was really struggling to get leads. And within 90 days, we had built up a system where they were getting consistent, qualified leads into their wheelhouse.